Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you how you're going to be able to pass your prop firm account every single time. Now I know that's a bold statement, but after you watch this video to the end, and I suggest you do, trust me, you're going to understand why. So I know you're going to love this one guys and girls, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and hit those notifications. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, as usual, the first thing I'm going to talk about is my free Telegram group. The link for this is in the description below, and in this group I'm actually giving out gold trade ideas and giving you a breakdown of what gold is doing throughout the course of the week. I'm also giving out signals on gold, or it could be any other trading instrument that's out there throughout the course of the week. Of course, these will be ones that are not in my VIP group. Some of them will be, but I am trying to help traders out, or if not, I'm trying to tell them, hey, look, this is what I'm possibly looking for and this is what could possibly happen. Okay, so for today's lesson, we're going to go over these things. We have the strategy we're going to be paying attention to. We are going to be looking into risk management. We are going to be working out the lot size we need to take per entry on a trade. We're also going to look at how much we will make or lose per trade entry. And then after that, we will be looking at our action plan in terms of, are we live trading or prop firm trading? Of course, this video is a prop firm video, so we're going to be looking at a prop firm company. Let's go straight into the strategy. So this strategy is very simple, and this is made for people that are busy when they're trading. I know a lot of people are going to have full-time jobs or a lot of responsibilities, so they cannot look at the chart all the time in order for them to try and find a 1 minute, 5 minute or 15-minute entry. And I do get that, and this is why I'm making this type of video, especially when it comes to prop firm trading. Trust me, I haven't forgot about you people. So right now, all we're going to be looking at is a 4-hour time frame. Whenever the 4-hour time frame actually breaks structure, as we can see it did over here, so it broke structure to the upside with this candle, and this was the level where the last high was. All we are looking to do is set ourselves a buy stop here, not a buy limit, a buy stop. The reason for this is because the market has broken up in a bullish momentum and we are expecting them to continue to buy going all the way up. So for that to happen, our buy stop will get activated when the market does something like this. It will first break structure, then it will come back into that structural area, and then when it decides to buy up wherever our buy stop is, which would be somewhere like here, it will then take that order with us and then go into a winning or losing trade. This is what we're looking for. Very nice and simple. One confluence, a break of structure. Let's pay attention to the pros and the cons that might happen whilst you're trading on a 4-hour time frame. So one of the cons is that you might actually hold drawdown for a longer period of time. Trades could take longer to play out. Compound growth on the account could also take longer and be slower. And then now let's go into the pros. So when it comes into the pros, we have to understand that it's very simple to find trade entries, just like what I'm showing you over here with one confluence. Pending orders can be set, exactly what I explained with the buy stops or the sell stops. You can use a set and forget psychology mentality. So like here, you can see you just enter the trade and you leave it to run over a period of days. Less trades actually get taken. So this was actually 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and you only took 2 trades in 4 weeks. And what I've said before, you can easily have a full-time job and trade this way as well, which is absolutely amazing. Now that I've explained a simple way of how you can trade this strategy and how you're just going to be using a buy stop or a sell stop, let's actually go into the risk factor. So this is when it actually starts to get really good, guys and girls. I do suggest that everybody signs up with FTMO and uses their equity simulator. This is going to help you find out if a strategy is actually good over a period of time, or even if you work out your risk first, you can see how you want to trade, and then you can go and find a strategy that will work within the risk that you have figured out to be profitable, and this will help you a lot. So right now you can see I've entered a $12,500 account. That is the size of the prop firm we will be looking at, and then I've got a win rate here which isn't even high, guys and girls. It's 30%. My RR, which I'm looking to take, is going to be 1 to 3. The iterations I have here, and this is what a lot of people struggle on, they go to 100, so they're expecting to see like 100 trades that could win or lose within, you know, maybe 30 days or 90 days, and expect to take a strategy from there. I'm not looking to do that. I'm looking to trade this long term because I'm trying to trade the probabilities over a period of time. So what I've actually done here is I've set it to 1 1,000, giving me so much more data that can be recorded in terms of my wins and losses. Now I'm looking at 10 possible outcomes that can happen from this growth pattern. And then what I have here is my risk percentage. I don't do just only risk, it's a risk percentage. And that risk percentage is at 0.10. Now I've pressed the run button, so it's just going to run those figures above. And here we can see the chart right here. So all you have to do is just go over to the right here, and it's going to tell you your end result. Pretty much here, you can see this is after 999 trades. And we can see with this equity curve, if I'm trying to make 10% on this prop firm account, then right now on this prop firm account, I'm actually at a period where I've never blown the account, but you can see the account is steadily growing over those 1,000 trades. I've actually managed to pass in 5 scenarios here. So 5 times I would still be growing the account in these scenarios out of 10, but then on another 5 times, I've actually made a 10% increase. And I know some people are going to say, but that was a lot of trades you had to take over a long period of time. We're going to get exactly into what I'm talking about here and why this prop firm I'm going to be mentioning is so amazing for this. So we can see the minimum equity, what my account went down to, is 12,387. The maximum equity my account went to, which is obviously passing the account, is 16,925. The maximum winners I had in a row was 7 winners in a row. The maximum losers I had in a row, which is amazing for you to be able to see, is 26. So there was a lot of losing trades in a row, which your psychology can be severely affected by seeing this many losers in a row. But if you don't understand that trading is a long-term game, then you're not going to be able to grow an account. You do not need to rush this. Even with 26 losers, I still managed to go forward. Now with the max drawdown over here, we can see I never actually hit the limit. Most firms are around about 6 to 8%, or some could be a bit more, it just depends. And now we can see the average drawdown here realistically was under 1%, and then the average max drawdown went to about 2.74, which isn't bad at all. The account actually managed to hold itself, and I was trading very sensibly. Now that we've got that out of the way, for this strategy I'm going to be able to show you here, and I will go back to the trading chart. It is a very simple method of just a 50 pip stop loss, only trading the major pairs as they have the tightest spreads and a decent enough daily pip range. And we're going to be looking for 150 pips. So that is a 1 to 3 RR trade, or whichever way you want to put that around. We're basically gaining 3 steps forward and only losing 1 step when we lose a trade. So on average, I would be losing around about $10 per loss on a trade if it hit my 50 pip stop loss, but I would be gaining 30 per trade. Now, some people might actually ask, how did you work out the figure of what lot size you're going to use? Now we'll move forward to this over here. So when you've got the calculator over here on Google, you can use whatever you want. You can use your phone or anything. All I simply do is 0.10% of 12,500. This tells me on average, I will be risking $12.5 per trade. And if I times this by 3, this shows me I'll be making $37.50 profit. Every single trade I take, I'm either going to lose $12.50 around about that number, give or take commissions or spreads or swap fees over a period of time. And every single time I win, I will be making about $37.50. Again, give or take commission, spreads or swap fees. So here is what people need to understand. You're not going to get a precise number to that point. So I would always tell you to find out your lot size and don't make it bigger than the number, because here you can see I'm making more profit. But of course, if I was to lose this trade, let's just do this, I would be losing more than I want. So don't do that. Always go a little bit less, because you can never go wrong with actually risking less. You can only go wrong with risking more and the trade actually going against you. Okay, so let's just go back over to the strategy so people can understand how this can occur multiple times. So here is a sell idea, and just over here we can see there's a low. There's another low over here on the 4-hour time frame, and it has actually been taken out with this sell candle that came here. So this was a break of structure on the 4-hour chart. Now again, what would we have done? We would have put a sell stop on this level right over here, and all we would have been looking for is the market to pull back to this level. We can see the market has pulled back to this level over here with this wick candle, and then we would have been activated in this trade with our 50 pip stop loss, and again our 1 to 3 trade going down for 150 pips. So far we had one winner and another winner. Now, when we go over to this area over here, we can see the same thing happened here again. We had a break of structure right over here where our buy stop would be. We would have put our buy stop here. The market obviously broke out with this big bullish candle that happened here at 6 a.m. on Tuesday the 13th. And when the market pulled back into this level and came back through, we would have been activated, and this trade went on to hit again a 1 to 3 RR trade. Now, this trade here, we didn't necessarily need a 50 pip stop loss. You might be asking me, but why, John? The last time we saw our low was right over here on the 4-hour chart, and this is telling us that with structure, this is a higher low that's being formed in the market. For beginner traders, when there's an uptrend, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up again, it goes down, it goes up again. And you would just be seeing this in reverse for sell trade setups. But every single time one of these higher lows like here and here gets formed, now you're in a point where you would be able to put your stop loss just below this level here, because this is a liquidity area, and this is exactly how you could have taken this trade. If the low is more than 50 pips away, only use 50 pips. But if it's less than 50 pips, then you can make it a bit smaller. Of course, over time, this could affect your wins and losses, so you have to be okay with those type of results. If you don't want to do all of that sort of stuff, then just keep it simple on a 50 pip stop loss and a 1 to 3 trade. You can even see over here how one is possibly forming already, and this is perfect for you to be able to take a trade setup because you've seen a breakout here on the 4-hour time frame. You've got a stop loss just below these lows here for a 1 to 3 trade, or you could easily just do your 50 pip stop loss here, and then of course you'd have to move this up a little bit more to get yourself your 1 to 3 trade like this. And right now, if you were trading this strategy, you would be in this entry. So whilst I have your attention, guys and girls, let me just introduce you to the Neo product. Now, this is going to be coming out in the next 2 weeks, and I'm still just waiting for the EA to be updated and coded into this, but I'm still going to release it without the EA just so everybody can get on board and we can start making this money together using this product. So what this is actually going to help you with is this exact strategy I just explained. You can see how this is marking out change of characters and break of structures in the market for you on any of the time frames you're looking at. Obviously, I'm just looking at the 4-hour chart here, and this does this automatic, and it will be able to send these alerts to your phone on MT4, or it will also have alerts that will appear on the screen right over here for you on your MT4 application on your computer. You can also see with this dashboard that you can have any pair reading, so you don't have to watch all of the pairs. This will automatically scan any pairs you do actually put in here, and this can scan any pair your broker actually allows you to trade. So this is a perfect tool to give you an extra boost if you need any help, and all of the information for this product will be in the description below, and you can also see it in the banner. This comes with lifetime access and all of the VIP services, so don't miss out, guys and girls. Hit me up. You can get your pre-order slot with this product. Now, this is the last part of what I'll be teaching here, and this is very, very simple, guys and girls. I'm urging people to find a prop firm account that has a no time frame limit. I'm personally using Funded Trader Plus because it helps me out a lot. I do not have to be perfect in my trading strategy because all I'm doing is exactly what I explained to you with the equity simulator from FTMO. I'm taking my time to be able to pass any $100,000 account I actually trade because, again, I have no minimum trading days. The account you're looking for is the experienced trader account, and as you can see here, it tells you all of the requirements for the account and what you need to do in order to pass. There's only one phase which you have to make 10%, and after that you do get a live account. So this is not a 2-phase setup, and there's no minimum trading days, meaning you can take as long as you want to make that 10%. These are the accounts you can actually purchase, and you can do exactly what I've said with this $12,500 account with any one of these accounts here. If you want to move a little bit faster and make more money once you do pass the account on however long it takes you, then of course go and opt for a higher account that's within your investment budget. If you scroll down, there's all of the FAQs down here, and what I will do is link 2 videos in the description below that will be able to help you understand more about these accounts, and the trader that's explaining it is doing an amazing job, so shout out to him. There's also a discount code with that trader. As I want everyone to know, I have no affiliation with this company, and I'm just saying this because this will help a lot of you with the psychology when it comes to trading and passing these prop firm accounts. So with all of that being said, guys and girls, I hope this helps you out. This is a full breakdown on how you can pass your prop firm account. I've even given you a strategy. I've shown you how you can work out risk, how you can work out your lot sizes. I've pretty much covered everything everything you need to do. The only other thing I haven't done is showing you on a live chart how this is going to work over a period of time. But if you want to see this, then join one of my groups and trade with me. That is the best way for you to see how I am trading live in these markets. Whether I win or lose, I'm extremely transparent with all of the traders in my VIP service. On that note, guys and girls, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and right now it's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.